Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm gonna try my hand at making some homemade butter. I got my heavy cream, I got my ice ready. I'm not gonna put any water in it until the butter is almost done. Oh, plus I'm gonna need a container because when you're making butter, the offshoot or the byproduct is buttermilk. So I'm gonna use the buttermilk to either make biscuits or homemade buttermilk pancakes. So I had my bowl in the freezer for like 2 days now. So just to keep it cold while we whip it up. To my bowl. Attachment on. I add my buttermilk. I'm gonna add this whole quart of buttermilk. I'm gonna add this whole quart of heavy cream. Okay, so I'm gonna click it on. I'm gonna start off slow and then put it at the highest speed so it make whipped cream. After the whipped cream is supposed to start turning into butter, it's supposed to solidify. And then from there, we're gonna extract the fat that's solidified because this is cold. And then we'll rinse it. We'll keep the buttermilk as I said. So our milk is turned into whipped cream, okay? But we're halfway there. Now it's gonna start to turn to butter. So I'm gonna lock it back down. Bring up the speed slowly so it can finish the process. So now our butter is done. So you can see that's all butter right there. What I'm gonna do is put it in this ice bath, so we can squeeze out all the buttermilk so it doesn't be rancid. It'll go rancid if you don't get all that milk product out of there. You might want to take it too. If you don't have a cover for your blender, for your stand mixer, you should probably cover with a large kitchen towel. There's a splatter effect, on high. It's just gonna get over everything. Okay, let's put this right here for now. You're just gonna squeeze it. See it? This ice bath. And keep it together at the same time. The ice is just gonna keep it, solid. Ice bath is cold too. Here we have it, the butter. I'll squeeze out all the milk products of it. Kind of shape it a little bit. That looks like, I don't know, maybe 2 sticks worth of butter here. I'm just going to take off a little piece so I can taste it. Yeah, it's butter. It's definitely butter. Now let's deal with our buttermilk. Wrap this up. You know what? And you can also, like if you wanted an infused butter, you can like season it with some herb, kind of oil, or like olive oil or something like that, or some kind of herb, your herb of choice, or even a type of pepper too. You can have pepper butter. So that's that. And now we're just gonna extract our buttermilk so we can make either buttermilk biscuits or buttermilk pancakes. Now I'm gonna get my buttermilk. Okay. Wow, 2 cups of buttermilk. Oh, just about anyway. Anyway, that's it. It was fairly easy. Just a heavy cream, at least 49% fat content to the heavy cream. And you put it in your stand mixer, and it's blended until it turns into a whipped cream. And then from there, you just let it continue. And you'll actually hear the difference in the sound when it's turned to butter. Okay, then from there, you put it in an ice bath. You massage it to get all the milk product out of it so it doesn't go rancid on you. And then you have your butter. And then what's left over is your buttermilk. Pancakes, oh man, maybe even a pound cake. It's a simple way of making butter. And at the price of butter nowadays, you won't want to make it at home. So, till next time, we really appreciate you watching. And remember to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button. Always remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. See you next time. Bye.